The Military Interstate Children's Compact Commission, MIC3 for short, is an interstate organization that encompasses all 50 states and the District of Columbia.
MIC3 is a tool that's used for military families as they transition from state to state so that there is no gap in their learning.
It covers anything from their child starting kindergarten in one state, being able to continue kindergarten when they move, all the way to ensuring our students graduate on time.
It really provides equal opportunity for those kids, so they're not at disadvantage because they're moving around schools.
The MIC3 helps students by keeping them on an even playing field with kids that don't have to uproot every 2 years.
Maybe they weren't there to sign up for a particular program, and then they come in and it's the start of school and they want to be in that. We're going to find a way to get them into that program.
We had a child that came from a different state, and when he moved into one of our states, found out that because of the difference in education, he was actually a sophomore, where had he not moved, he would have graduated in a couple of months. And he was just going to drop out of school, but we were able to utilize the Military Interstate Compact. And on June 1st of that year, he got to walk with his peers. He was able to receive a diploma from the state he had left.
I wish that parents knew what their legal rights are. The Compact provides considerable protections for their children when they transfer from one state to another because of their parents' military service.
We had an example of that where a student moved in, the school system was not accepting some of the credits, and fortunately that particular parent knew about the compact, and the school system was like, oh, I didn't know about this, thank you for informing us, and everything was copacetic and they were able to get the student enrolled with no issues.
And when parents don't know that they have these legal protections, they may be willing to accept whatever situation they find themselves in without realizing that the compact allows them to have something better.
The compact is not complicated. The compact is knowing education, knowing families, knowing kids, and making it work for them.